Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to take a look at some news that just hit about Bitcoin, saying the prediction of the price could hit about $100,000 within a year, one of the bigwigs said. So a CEO of crypto lending firm Nexo predicted that within about 1 year, Bitcoin should hit six figures, $100,000. Of course, Bitcoin still is very volatile. It's down to about 40,000 right now, and that Bitcoin is probably falling in its price. Bitcoin's probably at this low point right now because right now the whole entire market is in a bear market right now, so everything's basically falling, so why wouldn't Bitcoin fall as well? Indeed, all of the other cryptocurrencies are also falling. Yeah, Dogecoin was falling, Ethereum is falling, XRP is falling, Sol is falling. Everything seems to be dropping right now in this on sale time period in this bear market, so now would actually be a good time to buy some cryptocurrency if you have the money to spend on it. So the CEO said that he expects it to hit about six figures within a year. He last predicted it would hit 50,000 around 2020, but he was just actually a year off. In 2020, it only hit about just under 30,000, whereas in 2021, it did hit 50,000. So if his prediction here is anything like the last prediction, Bitcoin will probably hit around six figures within 2022, 2023 at the latest. Some things to back up this prediction is that major institutions are now actually starting to hold digital assets like cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, things like Jump Street Trading and Jane Street. We also see crypto bigwig whales are actually now hoarding Bitcoins, buying up lots of Bitcoin just because in the future it could be worth a lot more money and be kind of the gold standard of cryptocurrency, giving these companies a good cushion, a good foundation for reserves. Of course, the cryptocurrency market is very volatile right now. Bitcoin and a couple other handfuls. Of course, the crypto market is very volatile right now. Only Bitcoin and maybe a handful of other cryptocurrencies are very stable. Everything else moves up and down quite a bit and isn't worth much. And we see here, as we're in a bear market, they even state, while the stocks remain volatile, so too can Bitcoin. So as the stock market goes down, so will Bitcoin will also go down, and other cryptocurrencies. As the stock market goes up, hopefully too, then we will see Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies go up as well. So it seems like this one CEO is alone in his prediction. Lots of other crypto executives don't expect lots of price appreciation, at least this year, for the cryptocurrency. Hopefully maybe next year we can see a little bit of an increase from 40,000, maybe back up to even 50,000 we saw last year. This year they've seen lower trading volumes on cryptocurrency side. People are more so now just kind of sitting on the sidelines looking to see what happens with the cryptocurrencies, if they're going to fall below their current trading price, if they're going to, become worthless, or if they're going to skyrocket. So people are just kind of taking a seat back and seeing what's going to happen, and then they'll probably find out where to put their money, especially with smaller traders like us. When we don't have a lot of money to necessarily spend and lose, we were more so likely to wait and see what happens in the market rather than the bigger whales who can put thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars into a certain stock, into a certain cryptocurrency, and if they lose it, it's not so much of a loss as it were to be for us. And that's partly where smaller investors like ourselves could either make lots of money when we buy low, very low in these bear markets, or lose lots of money where we decide not to buy when it's low and regret that choice, seeing when the bull market goes back up. Another cryptocurrency trader or cryptocurrency whale said that Bitcoin was probably going to drop more this year, or it could actually drop more this year, because we are still, of course, in this big bear market. However, once the market recovers and we get back to a bullish state, we could go back above $50,000 again for Bitcoin by the end of this year, hopefully into the start of 2023. So it seems that Bitcoin is still going to be the gold standard of our cryptocurrencies.